These are the Dudios M3. These are probably one of the best budget fully wireless earbuds that I've tested so far, under 30 bucks. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's begin with the design. The design on these earbuds is actually pretty nice in my opinion. These are not massively made like other earbuds. Because of that, this will lead into having better comfort, but I'll talk about the comfort in a little bit. The Dudios M3s come with a USB Type-C cable for charging, 3 extra pairs of ear tips like small, medium, and large, so you can get the perfect comfort and secure size on your ears. In the box, there's also a user manual book, and most importantly, the charging case and the earbuds themselves. The charging case that come with the M3s have the Dudios branding on top, and at the bottom, you have 4 battery LED indicators, and at the very bottom, you'll find the USB Type-C port for charging. And overall, at this price point, I can't really complain about the charging case's build quality. It's actually very good and it feels very premium and definitely not on the cheap side, which is great. The earbuds themselves also don't feel cheap. They are made entirely out of plastic, and I am really glad that these don't feel cheap. They feel pretty premium and feel like these will last a pretty long time. So in terms of the build quality, I would give these a solid 8 out of 10. With the Dudios M3, you also find the touch control features on both right and left earbud. So for example, you can do things like tap once on the left or right earbud to lower or increase the volume, tap twice left or right earbud to activate Google Now or Siri or any type of voice assistant, and you can also do many more things with the touch control features. And personally, I do like the fact that you can do this with the earbuds, so you don't really have to pull out your phone, so you can pretty much control the whole earbuds by just using the touch control features, which is nice. They also have Bluetooth 5.0, so that means you don't have to worry about having any sort of connection or pairing issues. They pair relatively fast and you won't ever get any connection issues, which is nice. All you need to do is turn them on, hop into your Bluetooth settings on your device, and now you can pair them by just simply selecting the name of the earbuds, and that's it, as simple as that. Now you might be wondering how good is the battery life on these, and honestly, for a lack of a better word, these are great. The earbuds themselves can last up to 5 hours, but with the charging case, you get a total of 25 hours, which is pretty impressive. And what's also nice is that the charging case recharges very quick because it has some sort of fast charging technology inside. So overall, the battery life is surprisingly good on these. These also have a IPX7 rating, which are perfect for those of you that do sports. So these are aimed towards those of you that do intensive workouts, or overall that want a pretty reliable cheap pair of earbuds without breaking the bank. So by now, everything that I just mentioned sounds like these are definitely a must to get, right? But honestly, you can't forget about the sound quality and also the comfort, because no matter how impressive the features are in a pair of earbud, if they are lacking the comfort and also the sound quality, I won't simply get them. But I am really glad to say that the comfort and also the sound quality is very good on these earbuds. Like literally, I'm not even lying when I say this, but these are by far one of the most comfortable pair of earbuds I've ever listened to at this price point. Also, the mids and highs are nice and balanced and sound pretty clear without any distortion, and surprisingly, the bass also was noticeable as well, which was huge for me because if you know me, you know that I'm a bass head. And also, like I said, the comfort was also pretty good on these. If you put on the right ear tips, they will stay in your ear nicely and tucked, and I was able to listen to music for hours on these earbuds without my ears hurting or getting any type of ear discomfort or ear fatigue. So these are definitely one of the best budget earbuds that I've ever listened to, and also that I've ever tested in terms of the comfort. But yeah guys, that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think of these earbuds. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.